Hey everyone, welcome to the Virginia State University College of Ag channel. My name is Josh Dusci, the Indoor Ag Extension Associate here at Virginia State. We're tuning in from the Randolph Farm, Petersburg, Virginia, here at the hydroponic, aquaponic greenhouse. Today we're bringing you our step-by-step guide on how to build your own DIY karate hydroponic system. This is a 15-hole hydroponic system, and in addition to the actual system itself, we are going to be building a light rack for you to fit on nicely to it. So stay tuned as we take you through each stage of the process. Before we begin, there's going to be a list of materials, equipment that is going to be required for this build. So take a peek at that. Most of the stuff you might have laying around your home, or if you don't, then you should be able to go get it locally at a hardware store or Lowe's or something like that. So the tools you'll need to build this hydroponic system are a drill, a 2-inch hole saw, 3/16-inch drill bit, PVC cutters, a tape measure, Sharpies, a knife or a pocket knife, some zip ties, 4 of them, safety goggles, a 14-gallon tote. We'll need 6 3/4-inch elbows, 2 3/4-inch tees, and then about 12 feet of 3/4-inch PVC. Step 1, we'll begin by marking out the placements for the 15 plant holes on the lid. You'll be using a Sharpie and a tape measure to make these precise measurements. Step 2, with your marked points in place, go ahead and use your drill fitted with your 2-inch hole saw to carefully cut out the holes for your plants. Make sure to wear safety goggles for this step too. Now that your holes are cut, we'll be marking out the location for your airline hole using your Sharpie. This can either be on the side or on the back of the tote, about 1 inch down from the lid. Step 4, use the drill to create the airline hole in the lid. This will provide a crucial connection for aeration. Step 5, you're going to measure and mark the PVC for your light rack. Ensure precision for a stable support structure. Step 6, use the PVC cutters to make clean, accurate cuts along the marked lines for your light rack. Step 7, assemble your light rack by securely connecting the PVC pieces together. This will provide essential support for your grow lights. Step 8, attach the air stone to the airline tubing and include a check valve for your air pump. This will ensure proper aeration for your plants. And there you have it. That's your DIY karate hydroponic system, which is now ready to use. For a complete view of the individual pieces and tools needed, check out our other photos provided. Thank you for joining us in creating your very own hydroponic system, and happy growing.